welcome back to our showroom when we talk about windows, we take apart the windows and we give you some good ideas about the windows. So today we are going to be looking into how to measure the glass in the vinyl window. So the first thing that you have to assess the damage, do you have just only one sash, the glass in one sash that is damaged, or do you have both sashes that this glass is damaged and this glass is damaged? So if it is both sashes has got the damage, you have to keep in mind that the lower sash usually is a bigger one. This one is 14 inches, and when we measure that one right here, this one is 13 inches. So basically, you would have to take the glass measurement for the bottom and the top sash, and it's going to be two separate different measurements. So keep that in mind. Okay, so the first step is going to be to remove the sash that is damaged. Let's say if it's a bottom sash, you just unlock the window, raise it a little bit, then tilt it in, and now in most windows you can remove the sash like that, but I have separate video for that. I'll put it into the link down below so you can check it out as well. So now once you have that sash, you can go ahead and place it on the table. Okay, so we got here in our office sash heavily damaged. The stone came through the glass, through the both glasses. So yeah, let's go ahead and measure the glass. But before we do anything, let's go ahead and tape all these broken glasses seams, so we don't get injured by that broken glass. Okay, so now we have to check and look around the window, like on this vinyl beaded pieces right here that lock the glass, and see where do they overlap each other. So in this case, in this window, looks like we have right here, so the side vinyl piece overlaps the top one. So we want to start unlocking first the side ones and then the top one and the bottom pieces. So let's go ahead and do it. To do it, we're gonna use this 3/8 or half an inch chisel. So we're gonna insert it right here gently and start unlocking. So then basically we just hold it a little bit with one finger and do all this unlocking all the way around the glazing bead. Okay, so basically once we unlocked all the way to the end of that glazing bit, so we just pry it in like that, and here we go, it comes out. And we're gonna have to do all the way around the window, so then we can start working on this corner as well. Same thing, you just put it in the chisel into that groove and do it gently. Don't forget that you have the broken glass here all the way around, and then once again it just pops up like that, and you are ready to remove it. Well, we have to do first the other one as well, the other corner. So let's go ahead and do it, the other corner as well, because we have to unlock first this piece here, which is the side one, the side bead, before we do the top one and the bottom one. So we do the same with this here. Goes nice and easy. Okay, so it's unlocked. Now we can unlock this one as well, and we're going all the way to the bottom piece now. That's the only one left, so same thing, we just put our chisel into this groove between the glazing bit and the frame. Let's see. Okay. So we are moving forward. pretty much nice and easy. So make sure that this one doesn't hold it. Okay, so basically now we remove that glazing bit as well, and so now we can see the glass, basically the glass exposed. And what do we have to do to measure it? Basically we have access to the edges of the glass. So by using tape measure we can measure the exact measurement, take exact measurement of the glass. And right now in here we have 27 and 7/8. So basically usually that's that's the exact size of the glass, and you can go ahead and order that size. So basically it's 27 7/8, and we do right here, that was the height, and the width is 30 and 5/8. So to be on the safe side, you can order the glass which is 1/8 smaller. So basically 27 and 7/8 high, so it can be 27 3/4. You would have to just use a little bit more of these little spacers. Same thing right here on the width, it was 30 and 5/8, so you can do 30 and a half. And one more thing you have to do when you measure the glass for the vinyl windows, you have to measure the thickness of the glass unit. So basically it's like two glasses sandwiched together. So and in this case we don't want to remove the whole glass unit because we don't have the new glass yet, right? So it's the other side is glued to the sash, and basically you fix it with cardboard or plywood, so you don't have to remove this glass unit. So you can use just regular ruler and you just insert it right here, and you can check how thick, what's the thickness of the glass unit. And in this case we have here, it's a 3/4 thickness of the glass unit, and it can be 5/8, it can be half an inch, it can be 7/8. So basically you have to know the thickness before ordering the glass unit. And I do have here new glass, so it's basically comes like that, nicely packaged by the factory. And I'd like to show you how that glass sandwich looks like. So that's what we were measuring, basically how thick the glass is. And in this case that's 7/8. So once you took all the other measurements, don't forget to take this one, and when you place the order you're gonna have to tell to the factory how thick the glass unit is. Okay, so once you took the measurement, obviously you don't want to remove the glass right now because you don't have the new one. So you have to lock these glazing bits back into the sash. So to do that, you have to start all the steps from the reverse. You have to do the top and the bottom first of the sash. So basically we got here glazing bits. So just put it into, that's in this case that's the bottom one, and work with your fingers like that gently all the way around. Okay, so we're gonna do the top as well. Okay, right here. And now once we have the top and the bottom done, we can do the sides. We can lock the glazing bits into the sides. So to do that we have to bend it a little bit. So, and the sides, they do have this little cutout, so you have to insert the first one and then bend this a little bit and lock it like that. Okay, so it's pretty much nice and easy to do it. Okay, this side is done, and we do the same with the other side. Okay, that's it. So hopefully you liked the video. If you did, please hit the like button and put into comments if you have any questions, and subscribe to our channel. Appreciate you watching, and see you next time.